Howdy Ags, it's Brooke and Maddie here with Bird's Eye View.
Follow along with us for a behind-the-scenes look at Media Day 2022. Yeah!
All right, Ags. So, Media Day, let me know. We got freshmen, first Media Day, seniors. First Media Day, but kind of last Media Day. Share some emotions. Let me know. What was it? What was it like?
Should we go first?
Yeah, we got it.
It was awesome. We had so much fun. Lots of fun
exciting.
pics.
Fix some knee pads.
Yeah,
Things
fix
ready.
some knee pads. Got
Hair,
the
it's a little sweaty.
Yeah,
but,
got the cowboy hat going. Having
Okay.
a great time.
Yeah.
The energy flow.
There's
Yeah,
it's great.
New
Ready?
jerseys.
Yeah, we have new jerseys
Slick
this year that we're
sleeves.
showcasing.
Senior
Very
emotions.
That's
the
best one.
Emotions.
That's the best one.
This one's gonna be tough to top.
Yeah,
one's
Yeah,
really
this
good.
was a good one. It
This
was a
was
good
nice.
one. We'll
Yes,
top
I
it,
agree.
but maybe not till next year.
That's a wrap for Media Day 2022. See you in Reed in August. Thanks and gig 'em.